To solve this, we have the square root of 81 to be 9. So this will be 9 minus square root of 9 is 3, then over root 3. So this will give 6 over root 3. But we are not going to leave our answer like this. Instead of that, we will have to rationalize it so that we will have 6 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. And this would give 6 root 3 over 3. Root 3 square would give 3. Then we can say 6 will go here 1, 6 will go here 2. So this will give 2 root 3. Now we can leave our answer. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.